Alright, so she's ready. Ready to put it back in the car and haul it over there. Alright, over here at Jerry Stewart's, fixing to pull the blower motor out and put the other motor in. Carl's over here, Bob Kaufman's over here, and Jerry's over here. Blower motor going out, single carb going in. Yeah, got a prime motor and then drop it in there and set everything up and get the timer close and fire it off, and about 2,500 RPM for about 20 minutes. There it is. So, that's what's happening. All right, here we go. Fixing to pull her out.
I'm going to pull this recipe. I'll go ahead and get up the video and then watch.
And there she is, officially loose.
Yeah, I like to pull them, blowers and all. All ready to do this, set her right back in and go on.
Everything.
Well, I'll bring that 32 up here.
That flywheel might work, but that looks like a single piece rear seal crank. I don't know if they use the same flywheel or not. I mean, I don't know. Bob, do you know?
What is
if a single piece rear seal crank will use the same flywheel as a two piece or flex plate? I mean, it might. We'll take it off and see. Oh, it will. If not, I'll jump behind it and pick it up.
It won't come all the way up. It's about to hit the door.
Awesome. There you go, Jared.
Man. What happened to the train?
She's got 0 horsepower now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one piece.
That's what it looked like. All the more modern crate engines come like that.
What does that mean?
If you look right here, it's not a two-piece seal, it's a one-piece seal. It's actually got a plate that this slides off, that plate slides over and bolts around the back of the block. Like I said, that's one of the newer style GM crate motors.
So that won't work on that?
It might. It depends on the size of this. It looks like it might be the same. I mean, I don't know why they would change that, but. All right, blower motor's out, and sucker's heavy. Look, it knocked holes in this floor, and we put it here. So now he can have my blower motor here till they find something else to put it in. But there it is. That one's out. I got to go get a flywheel because that it's the newer style crate motors instead of the old style. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go get a flywheel, flex plate. I keep calling flywheel. It's flex plate. Too used to stick cars. Go get a flex plate and come back and finish putting it in. So we may not hear it run today. I don't know. All right, we'll see. All right, we've been back about 7 minutes. Got the flex plate on. Got the motor plate on. Got the adapter for the water temperature on. Got thermostat for it. I'm pretty sure this is a 165. 77C 70. It's 170. So that's all I had in stock. So that's what I had to get. And now we got this for the mechanical pump. So yeah, almost to the point of getting it back in there. We got to put the water pump on. Got to put the silicone on, put the gaskets on. So we'll do that, and then it'll be going back in, Jared. I got to prime it still. I'll probably prime it before I put it down. Well, no, I need to be able to crank the front of the engine around. So I'll probably do that after it's in there.
Well, you prime do that.
All right. Got all the accessories on the front. Got oil in it. We got dips and tube. We got oil neck. It's all there. Me and Jared and Carla and neighbor. Let's fix it and put it in there.
Yeah, so we gotta get this shit done. I look like the damn code.
That's what you get.
What's that?
Yes, we got all kinds of shit up here. I don't know what goes to work.
All right, well, we just got to sit down in there. I just stuck some in it. Them probably aren't the correct length. I just grabbed some to stick in it to,
Here's
because all the ones that go in were black.
black.
They were painted. We'll just have to dig around and find them.
Okay. Well, I could snug one or two of them up. That way, it'll definitely get in place. You see the ratchet reach over there? It's
Permanent. Got about 50 pounds of oil pressure right now. That's with the standard pump. That's in a high volume pump. And Jerry's putting the fluids in, putting the water back in. We got starter on everything. The motor's in, the radiator's in, everything's in.
Almost done.
Yeah, just pure water.
Still priming. So just like that. Nice. Tell you, cranking that, rotating that crank, man. All right, there you go. She's all primed. We ain't gonna try to break it in tonight. We're gonna probably do it tomorrow. But it's in there, and if it don't look pretty. But it does. It actually looks nice. Pretty impressive. So, cool. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help, Jerry.
You're welcome.
Let's go over here and see the blower. He put the blower in his little man cave area. Also touched up the pinstripes on this. See, I did those. Because Dave touched that car up. Check this. Oh, this is just too cool. Look at that. I bet you $20 cash this ends up going in a Willis. I bet you anything. He's gonna swap and trade and get him a Willis. We'll be over here putting that in there. Guarantee it. That is just too cool. Well, that's a wrap for today. Probably back out here tomorrow or Monday and finish her up. All right, well, here it is. There is the motor out in the sunshine for the first time. And we officially fired it up. It runs. We just got to do a break-in, run it for about 20 minutes at 2,500 RPM. And then after the break-in, keep an eye on the water temperature and everything else, and we'll just idle it on down and see what's what. But officially about to break this sucker in. So it's about to happen. Alright, we got it broke in. I still got to adjust the valves, but it fires up and it runs. Like I said, we got a little noise in the rockers. We'll see if I can get it to start. get behind it, you can. Once I adjust the rockers, it'll be more. That tips, it's hit.
They had a
Piece of plastic slid over them.
something on it. Okay. Oh yeah.
And I still got to set the timing and finish adjusting the carburetor. A little fine tuning, it'll be crisp. Just needs a little fine tuning.
Almost there.
The braking is okay, Jerry. She ain't hurt.
The stressful part's over, huh?
Oh God, no kidding. Alright, since this cherry picker is brand new and the first motor it ever pulled was a blower motor, and the first motor ever installed was a motor I built for Jerry, Jerry Stewart has to autograph it right here on the front and date it. Come here, Jerry. You still remember how to spell your name?
No. M-R-H-O-R-S-E.
There you go, put it right there as big as you want to go. There we go. Mr. Horsepower. But 2018. It's official now. I'm gonna clear coat it. That's awesome, Jared. Thank you. Ah, man.